The use of SFX and Foley in film is used to exaggerate or create a sound that is needed to be there in the film. Although it might be subtle, it's not overheard a lot of times in the film. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recreate and remake samples that you've seen or heard on set in the studio environment. Foley is the reproduction of everyday sound effects that you hear in a day-to-day life in a visual project. You add these sounds to exaggerate, as earlier mentioned, to exaggerate or to bring up the scene a bit more higher, to add the sound effect of just a knuckle popping, for example, or just a bottle creaking or a chair creaking. These sounds can be used to enhance the project immensely and to bring out the quality of the project to a higher level. Things to mainly keep in mind when recording SFX and Foley samples in studio. First of all is the AC. You don't want that the low rumble sound, the sound and low frequencies hindering your recording. And secondly, we have screens over here which help with avoiding room reflections when recording these samples. Thirdly, we're going to use the omnidirectional polar pattern for this recording, as we want to record the direct sound as well as we want to get some of the reflection of the sample that we're recording, so that we avoid making the sample sound unnatural, but making it more natural with the reflections. So we're going to record the fire crackle that we see on screen right now. Just the fire. We're just mainly focusing on the fire, and we're just using a normal the plastic bottles branding wrapper. So we're just gonna record that now. So we're just gonna record a fire crackle now. So we're gonna record the clothes rustling in the scene. So that's how you record sound effects and Foley samples in studio. Hope you guys found that informative or helpful in any way. If you do have any other questions, do leave them in the comments below, and hope you guys have a great day.